Hi guys, Girolamo Aloy here. I want to talk today about gold, okay? Just to have a general view of the situation, and feel free to ask questions. There is a live chat here that is available and you can just ask me some questions for some minutes. And anyway, we can just have a big view of gold because now the situation seems that are going to change and this is something interesting. So first to talk before everything, let me change the screen so that we can have a different view. Okay, first, I'm not a financial advisor. I don't give financial advices. Everything I do is just for your educational purpose. It's just for educational purpose, and it is for your education. Remember, never forget that trading carry an high risk, and every time you take a trade, you have to be aware of the risk that you can take. And I never will ask you to manage your money. I never ask you how manage I never tell you how manage your money and many other things like this. And be aware that what I'm telling you is just only for education. Okay, guys, we can go to talk about gold just here. And feel free to ask questions. Just this is a quick hangout. I will talk not for the long term. Okay, guys, you can see here gold in this large scenario and this monthly chart that define the main trend of the situation. You can see that historically, for the long term, this commodity is just going in a large channel that is bullish, of course, and the main trend that we can use for trading is just this bearish behavior here that is going down. But now seems that this bearish behavior can go to change, but everywhere the rotation can happen in several months. It will not be something that will happen just to one candle, but it will require months, and you have to be aware of this. This means that in the rotation there is the possibility to have several good opportunities to enter and buy and to have many other things. So the situation for me about this community in this moment is just simple. I can expect that the price could go up more in this moment, and later it can get a drop at least until this demand level, making a new low pivot, and later it can go down eventually. This is the possibility. I see that in the eventuality that the price could go down, could really go under this demand level here, there is nothing here, just apparent reference just to take a profit, or maybe just to understand where it's possible to have a reversal. Here is just on the bottom edge of the large channel that the gold is just marking in these years. But anyway, you can expect that the price could have a drop before to jump, before to turn, before to make this rotation. And we can understand better this, taking consideration the possibility to see the price with a new low. The price can get a low just in this small demand level, or maybe can hit this support here, or maybe eventually, but this is just something more extreme, the price can go to hit the lowest demand. The reason of this, as I told before, is that here historically in this price range, the momentum here was clear and bullish. So I base my trading on the history, and the history just shows me that here there was nothing or almost nothing at least until this resistance, this is support here, and the price in this situation just tell me that the taking out of this demand level can definitely move the price down more until this to flip to this support, or maybe to go to the demand level that is lower. But anyway, the most important thing for me is that this bearish behavior is going to be finished, is going to be completed. And for me, there is also the expectation that the price could eventually turn in some ways turn in this way, for example, or also in this way. Just make a turn in this way eventually, for example, here to here. This is a possibility because it is possible to see in several months a rotation, a parabolic rotation of this commodity where the price is just change its main trend. The main trend at this moment is, as you can see, is bearish, okay? And this main trend can change just on the bottom edge of this large channel. And this rotation can take a lot of months, several months. So inside it, you can find several opportunity to buy, several opportunity to have many things. My purpose for this commodity is just different. I go to the lower time frame and explain something that I have for me. My intention in this moment is just to sell for a large profit, but I don't want to sell here or maybe in this level, in this resistance here. I want just to sell high because I want to sell where the opportunity is just with the lowest risk possible for me, and I don't need to sell gold. I don't need to make trading necessarily, so I can avoid to have opportunities inside this, and I can wait properly that an opportunity if the price will reach these high supply levels here. In this scenario, in this situation where the price can be able to reach these levels, I can have my sell trade, a small one here maybe, and the bigger one here eventually. This is just my trading plan because, okay, I can just move this because for me, I can expect the completing of this swing that can just mark a new low. So I want just to sell on the head of the swing, but I want to sell on the head of the swing in the eventuality that the price will reach this high level here. In this situation, in this possibility, I can accept the sell. If the price will find a stop here or here, I'm not interested anymore to sell. This is not in my interest. Have a sell trade here is not something that I want. This is not for me. I don't like it because these levels carry a higher risk, and I'm not interested to sell all in so low price. I want I want to sell high, of course. So the price just took away this supply level here, and I can expect maybe that the price could reach this supply level here, and later we will see what will be the market reaction, if it will drop more or maybe if it will rise more. This is just an idea. Another thing that I take in consideration for this commodity that is important for me is just that the price can make a new low pivot, and the low pivot is just a new lower low eventually in this low demand level here, lower demand level just here, going under this low level here, going under this, and this is relevant for me because this can mark for me a first stop for my trade, a first take profit for my trade. And of course, another thing that can be relevant is that in the eventuality that the price will continue to go down, just in the continuation, keeping a large view for a large profit, because I trade only for large profit, I can consider something important, and is important for me just that, as I told before, that in the eventuality that the price will go under this demand level, I understand that the price can go down more before to start the rotation, and in this level it can reach the bottom, and eventually it can make a new some swings, because the rotation, the parabolic rotation, will happen in a couple of swings, maybe 3 swings, and at the end of this swing, the price will have turned the main trend, and it can continue to go up in this direction. And so I have a big idea here for my trading. It is just to take advantage from a potential drop that can be possible from here to here, for example. And this is important for me because I trade only for large opportunity, for very good opportunity to make profit, not just for 10 pips. I'm not interested. So I find the best setup to have the lowest risk and just to get a good opportunity. In this case, we can see that the price can go down Eventually, of course, if it will be possible, for not less than 9%, 19%, and this is something great. This is definitely a large profit because this commodity that is just so if you find a self get the you can make this commodity can pay a lot, and this is something good. This is what I want for my trading. This is something really great. So this is definitely an opportunity for a potential sell, and later the price action here can mark a potential rotation that can be with a couple of swings. For example, something like this, just to draw indicatively, just for an indication, the price can make 2 or 3 swings, maybe like this, maybe also in this way, before to go up more. This is just an indication, not just a potential trading plan, a potential idea for the parabolic rotation that can happen here. But anyway, the important thing is that gold is just on the bottom edge of this large channel, and it can just take a rotation very soon. But this rotation will take some months. It will not be something immediate. It will take it will require several months to be completed. And this is what I have to talk about to tell about gold, and I've explained this very properly in a video lesson that I have here, in a specific video lesson that I just showed here, made here exactly 2 days ago for the members of ProfitMe, and where I explained many things. For example, the large profit for a potential sell trade, and where it's possible to have a reversal behavior, and also where I can expect to have a parabolic rotation for the long-term trend. I mean, when the trend can just change, the bearish trend and I explained this properly, but this one is just here. I talk about gold here for a large time, for explaining many details properly, just about what can happen here with this specific commodity, and of course I talked about this also in the watch list of the week. Just here, showing the potential rotation and any opportunities for potential sell trade and just for buy. And so if you want to study with me, you can just contact me on my Facebook group, and you can just find me on Facebook, my fan page, my Facebook group, and talk with me properly. And if you want to study with me on ProfitMe, just you have only contact me, and I will tell you all the details. And please share this video around with your friend. Okay, this is my idea about gold, and just tell me your question very soon. Thank you guys, and see you next time. Bye bye.